Alright, I'm going to try a box of 2009-2010 National Treasures basketball. Alright. Oh, missed. There you go. Checklist. Right, move the base to the front. First card, Jeff Hornacek out of 99. Next card, Elton Brand out of 99. Next card, Richard Hamilton out of 99. Next card, NBA Greatest, Shaquille O'Neal out of 25. First hit, autograph of Jordan Hill, nice patches out of 49, weird number. Next card, Carmelo Anthony, manufactured auto patch, or no number. Next card, NBA Greatest, Dave Cowens out of 25. Ooh. Next card, Drew Holiday, Jersey Auto out of 30. Right. Nice rookie patch of Hassan Thabeet out of 25. Chris Paul jerseys out of 99. James Johnson, nice patch out of 49. Last hit, Hakeem Olajuwon, All NBA out of 99. Right, thanks for watching.